Hi guys! So, I'm receiving a lot of comments regarding my video sa Envision TV. Maraming nagtatanong kung gumagana pa ang TV namin. Yes, physical na itsura. Ayan po, gumagana pa po siya. And to prove, ayan, yan po ang date. Yan ang oras ngayon. Yan. So, let's try YouTube para mabilis. Yan. So, walang itsura sa kanyang walang problema sa kanyang graphics, and more than 1 year na po yung video, so this means more than 1 year na rin po yung TV namin. Yan, yung kulay ganun pa rin, maganda, function wise lahat po still working. Yan, bili na po kayo if you want, and this is just to prove that the TV is still working after more than 1 year. Thank you po for watching. Bye-bye.